everybody, we're back here at Pleasure Valley Raceway. Just giving you guys a little recap on what I've been doing these past couple days. Yesterday I got my first win of the weekend, and in the first moto, and in the second moto I got caught on a rut and unfortunately threw me over the bars and I ended up going down. But yeah, I got up and pushed as hard as I could. I made up a couple seconds. But yeah, that was yesterday. I ended up with a second overall. Today I've only had one moto today, but it was good. I got the whole shot and just checked out from everybody. So yeah, it's been a good couple days here at Pleasure Valley Raceway. The track was great, and I'm really happy on how it turned out this week. Hey everybody, just finished up here at Pleasure Valley Raceway for the area qualifier, road to Lorettas. And yeah, this weekend turned out great. I had a lot of fun. A lot of great things happened. The track was great. Overall, it was just a great race. Yeah, I finished up my last moto. I got the whole shot, and I just kept my own pace and rode the race as best as I could, and I ended up pulling a pretty big gap on second. Yeah, I just tried to keep it smooth, keep it on two wheels, and ride my own race. Yeah, it was lots of fun, and can't wait to come back here and race next time. So see you guys later.